Hello friends, welcome to my channel Alina Craft Studio. A week ago on my Instagram I posted a photo with mystery boxes from Michael's store in my stories. And to my surprise, a lot of my followers didn't know about Michael's grab bags. So I decided to make a video where I buy two boxes, open them with you, and we together will decide worth it $10 or no, and which of two boxes is luckier. I went to my local Michael's store to buy a mystery boxes. You typically can find these bags at the very front of the store. They also have a visible clearance tag. These bags contain an assortment of items from various categories, such as art supplies, home decor, or seasonal or holiday products. Each bag is unique and available only at store. All boxes are closed and you cannot open them. But there are holes in the boxes and you can pick a little at what's inside the box. I was shopping for fun, but at the moment of choosing, it turned out that it wasn't so simple. I cannot decide what box I want to take. After looking through several boxes and looking inside, I choose one box that was heavier than other and second box was lighter. On my way to the checkout, I saw these other grab packages. Most of the contents were from the flower department, and you can easily to see what's inside the bag. And here my box number 1. I decided to start with light one, and my son helped me open the boxes. This box was filled to the top with stuff from the flower department. Most of the box was cotton flowers. They are colored pink and blue. In total, this is 24 stems of natural cotton. Also, these are some interesting artificial flowers with white tassels at the ends. Here you can see the price. These are another stunning flowers from the spring collection. They fit together perfectly. It will be easy to create some kind of decor project. Now let's see the box number 2. As you can remember, it was the heaviest box that I found. This box contained a variety of items from different departments, but most of them from spring collection. The weight of this box was given by these bottles of air bubbles. Now I will show in more detail what was inside. This cute wall sign is already decorating my porch. 2 packs of miracle bubbles. I left it for my cousin kids. 2 Hawaiian style water bottles, $10 each. 1 more beautiful artificial flowers. Some cute wood decor elements. 2 relaxing bathroom signs. As you can see, there are a lot of yellow in this box. This garland is most expensive item in this box. Unfortunately, no one in my family wears this size, so I need to figure out who to give this t-shirt. Let's summarize. It's clear that for each person and crafter, the value of each box can be different. So let's speak in numbers. I calculate the cost of each box if they were sold at full price, and also if you buy them at a price of 50 and 75% discount. But compared to boxes, box number 1 wins this fight. My son likes box number 2, but for me personally, both boxes are equivalent. I found a lot of useful things for my future projects, and I think $20 are worth it. I want also add that you cannot use coupons on the grab bags and everything is non-refundable. Write in the comments which box you like more. Thank you for watching, subscribe to my channel and happy crafting!